Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how to send BUSD from Bitrue to Gemini in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this with confidence and avoid any common pitfalls. Let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have a verified account on both Bitrue and Gemini exchanges. You'll also need some BUSD in your Bitrue wallet and the precise wallet address from Gemini. Double-check that your accounts are secure with two-factor authentication enabled. It's a game changer for safety. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section and select BUSD from your list of holdings. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option next to BUSD. This is where the magic happens. Enter the amount of BUSD you want to send. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits, so check that first. Step 3. Now, you'll need the Gemini wallet address. Hop over to your Gemini account, go to the deposit section, and copy the BUSD wallet address. Make sure it's for the BUSD network, like BEP2 or ERC20, to match Bitrue's settings. Step 4. Back in Bitrue, paste the Gemini wallet address into the withdrawal form. Add any required network details and double-check everything to avoid errors. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to approve the transaction via email or 2FA. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Gemini account to confirm the BUSD has arrived. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works smoothly. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay vigilant. There you have it. That's how you send BUSD from Bitrue to Gemini in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there and happy trading.